Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this equation on the board. We have 2 to the power of x minus 1 plus 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 320. And we have to find the value of x in this equation. So okay, let's solve it. Now at first glance it looks simple, but don't be deceived, it's a bit tricky. Okay, now we have this exponent here. We'll be applying a couple of exponential rules. So the first one is, let's say we have a to the power of m minus n. This means a to the power of m all over a to the power of n. And for this one, if you have a to the power of m plus n, it means a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So you can see that this is a subtraction, it becomes a division, and here is plus, it becomes product. So we're going to apply this for this equation. Here we have 2 to the power of x all over 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 320. Okay, now we can see that we have, let's simplify further. We have 2 to the power of x over 2 plus 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 is equal to 320. Now, we have 2 to the power of x. So let's substitute for something. Let's say 2 to the power of x is equal to y in this equation. So that means we are saying that 2 to the power of x is equal to y. We are saying anywhere we see this, we can replace it with y. Okay? So let's do that. It becomes y over 2 plus 2 multiplied by y. And that is what? 2y already is equal to 320. Okay, now this is over 1, and if you want you can multiply both sides by 2. So to do that, you have y over 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2y multiplied by 2 is equal to 320 multiplied by 2. Now, what we are trying to do here is to do what? Eliminate this denominator. We want to make it a linear equation. So 2 cancel 2, and we have y plus 4y is equal to 640. Okay, now let's continue. Y plus 4y is giving us 5y, right? And that is equal to 640. We can do what? Divide both sides by what? By 5. Let's say divide both sides by 5. All right? When you do that, you have 5y all over y. 5 is equal to 640 all over 5. 5 will cancel 5. 5 here 1. 5 here 1, 2, 8. Okay? So y is equal to 128. Now recall that 2 to the power of x is equal to y from here. From my initial solving, we said that let 2 to the power of x be equal to y. So now we have our y to be 128. So that means that 2 to the power of x is equal to 128. We have this as the base of 2. Let's make 128 in the base of 2. And we do that, you have 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 7, or 2 raised to the power 7. Now we see that the bases are equal, so they can cancel themselves out. So x is equal to 7. This is our answer. However, sit back while we verify this equation. Now to verify, let's verify x is equal to 7, right? So we have 2 to the power of 7 minus 1 plus 2 to the power of 7 plus 1. We want to know if it is equal to 320, right? So this is 2 to the power of 6 plus 2 to the power of 8. That is equal to 320. So let's do this. 2 to the power of 6 is going to give us what? 64 plus 2 to the power of 8 is going to give us 256. Is it equal to 320? If you do a quick sum, you see that this plus this is going to give you what? 320. 20. That is equal to 320. That means our answer for X, 7, is correct. Bye-bye.